Hello kids, so today in this video we are going to learn alphabets from A to Z, both in capital letters and small letters. So to write these alphabets I'll choose 5 colors. Let's see what are they. Red, green, blue, yellow and orange. Okay. So I am going to use these 5 colors. Orange, yellow, blue, green and red. So let's start with blue color. So this is letter A, capital letter A for apple. And this one is small letter A for apple. Capital letter B for ball. And this one is small letter B for ball. Capital letter C for cat. Small letter C for cat. Capital letter D for dog. Small letter D for dog. Capital letter E for elephant. Small letter E for elephant. Okay. So next I'll choose yellow color and write the next line after E. So after E it is F. Capital letter F for fan. Small letter F for fan. Capital letter G for grapes. Small letter G for grapes. Capital letter H for house. Small letter H for house. Capital letter I for ice cream. Small letter I for ice cream. Capital letter J for jug. Small letter J for jug. Capital letter K for kite. Small letter K for kite. Okay. Next I'll take a red color to write the third line after K. So after K it is L. Capital letter L for lion. Small letter L for lion. Capital letter M for monkey. Small letter M for monkey. Capital letter N for nurse. Small letter N for nurse. Capital letter O for orange. Small letter O for orange. Capital letter P for peacock. P for peacock. Small letter P for peacock. Next I'll choose green color to write the fourth line after P. So after P it is Q. Capital letter Q for quill. Q for quill. Small letter Q for quill. Capital letter R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Small letter R for rabbit. Capital letter S for sun. Small letter S for sun. Capital letter T for tiger. Small letter T for tiger. Capital letter U for umbrella. Small letter U for umbrella. And finally I'll take orange color to write the last line after U. So after U it is V. V for van. V for van. Small letter V for van. Capital letter W for watermelon. Small letter W for watermelon. Capital letter X for xylophone. Small letter X for xylophone. Capital letter Y for yacht. Y for yacht. Small letter Y for yacht. Capital letter Z Z for zebra. Small letter Z, Z for zebra. Okay, so here we have completed our alphabets from A to Z. Let's repeat once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. So I hope you like this video, kids, and if you like it, hit a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.